Hey, what's up guys? This is Zach and Grace with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I'm going to be unboxing the PRO-180RPW. This is probably one of the last speakers that I haven't unboxed. So this is the 8-inch version of the 160 RPW that you've seen. It's just a larger speaker, a little bit more power, more mid-range in the woofer. 8-inch versus 6-inch. It does come with the
cutout template.
Yeah, owner's manual, cutout template, as well as
good boxing.
yeah, really well packaged. And this is one thing that I like about that Klipsch includes is a paint grille protector. So like you can install the speaker in the wall, and this actually magnetically clicks right to the speaker, so that you can then, after the whole room is painted, pull this off and just stick your grill right off. Pretty cool. More packing material. Nice magnetic grill. And then the speaker itself. It's a two-piece system. You got the outer piece that you can install first, and then you can install the speaker afterwards, or you can install it all as one. Now this does not have the movable tweeter like the Professional series. This is the Reference Premier. So it just has this horn on it with the titanium tweeter and the Cerametallic Woofer. I'll show you. I mean, look at the magnet on this thing. This is like having a bookshelf speaker in your wall. It's gonna produce some power for sure. Pretty well built speaker. If you guys would like to purchase this speaker and you don't live in Dallas, we can ship it to you for free with a low price guarantee. If you do live in Dallas, we can even install it for you and bring it out. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below.